Yes. Can you guess what's in the box, roses? Stay tuned.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally.
First off, welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today we are going to do a wig review. So as you can see, I already have my hair slicked back in a low bun, ready to go. Very pretty presentation, number one. So we have a satin bag packed full of goodies. This is 100% human hair according to the packaging. So of course we have the wig itself, which looks to be exactly as described. Look at those curls. Beautiful. I think it's going to be a match. And here we have the headband wig. Pretty standard construction. We have Velcro to secure the headband in the back of your head. And we have two combs on the side, one in the front that's towards the middle, and one at the back. So a total of 4 combs, and the Velcro strap in the back. Now be careful when you put this in your hair with the Velcro, it can snag at your hair. Don't want that to happen because that's a good way to lose some hair, but we're not going to do that. Okay. Y'all, I was almost going to wear my leopard print tank top. I didn't, but I may change into it for the reveal. But we have a nice, feels like velvet material headband. And we have some lashes here. Now, you know, a lot of these companies be sending some lashes that ain't right, but these are actually decent. They are super duper long. Not sure if I'm going to wear them or not, but maybe. Standard wig cap in a light beige color. 2 wig caps in there. They sent an additional headband. Very pretty. Reminds me of spring. Okay, so back to the main event. I ordered this in a 1B. They did contact me to review this, so I do thank Billie Hair for contacting me for this review. This mimics about 3C4A hair. I would say this could be a tiny twist out or a braid out. Length is very nice. This is Headband Wigs for Black Women, Human Hair Afro, Kinky Curly, Half Wigs for Black Women, 12-inch glueless, non-lace front wigs with real hair for women, natural color. Natural color is normally about a 1B. And this is 12 inches. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks much. Because of the cap construction, it really doesn't matter what color my wig cap is because you won't be able to see it. I'm glad this black is here actually. So, okay, that's on there pretty good. I'm gonna scoot this back off my edges. Now, if you're new to my channel, you may have just noticed or noticed as soon as we start this, I have super thin edges due to alopecia. So whatever edges I have, I'm gonna work with. And yes, I'm about to show these thin edges. Don't be ashamed. Anyone who does have alopecia, if you got at least a few hairs up there, don't be ashamed to push that wig cap back and wear a headband wig. And if you are too embarrassed or you prefer to cover it up, you can. That's the great thing about headband wigs. So I'm going to go ahead, put this in the back. Not using the combs quite yet. So far it's fitting pretty good. You know, honestly, picking this out, this is just like my own hair picked out. This is soft. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I want to even wear the curls. Oh, this is beautiful. And I like the way this headband is constructed. And the curls go almost all the way to the headband, which I do enjoy. I don't like when it's super straight and then all of a sudden there's curls. So if you want to wear it just like this, wear it just like this, sis. I'm so pleased with this hair, y'all. So pleased. It is so soft. There is some shedding, but my own hair sheds, so that's what happens with natural curly hair. We get to detangling and they're shedding. Look at this. And the curls snap right on back. If I want to pull this a little bit further forward, because this side of my edges are the worst, my right side, I can. This headband wig is super comfortable. Love it. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Billie Hair, for sending me this Larima human hair headband unit. I love it. It's soft, fluffy. It feels like my own hair completely. There's not one bad thing I can say about it. Perfect length. This is the everyday length that I would prefer. I love it. So roses, let me know, have you tried a headband wig yet? Either a human one or a synthetic one, and if you have, how many inches did you try it in, and what type of hair? Was it kinky curly like this, or was it more of a body wave, or was it straight? What do you think about headband wigs? I know it's all over YouTube, but guess what? They're not going anywhere, so just get used to it. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe if this is your first time to my channel, and if you've been to my channel a couple times and you still haven't subscribed yet, That's what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you later, roses.